Tired of unreliable trash pickup? Choose a service you can count on. Rock Solid Waste. We provide dependable, affordable trash service for homes and small businesses with clean, professional equipment and friendly local support. When we say on time, we mean every time. Call today for a free quote at 731-420-4451. That's 731-420-4451, or visit rocksolid.com. Rock Solid Waste, taking the trash out of your worries. And now to Jerry Mack for the forecast.
All right, Karen, thanks for that. Rock Solid Waste is a sponsor for this morning's weathercast. Sunrise, sunset for Tuesday. Sunrise at 6:55. Sunset at 5:25. 10 hours and 30 minutes of daylight. Current conditions: chilly start, 35 degrees. Dew points at 33. Humidity is at 92%. Barometric pressure is 30.08. We got a light east northeast wind, so combine it with the temperature, makes it feel like it's 32. So rainfall totals for today, somewhere right around a tenth of an inch to maybe a quarter of an inch, maybe some higher, a little bit, maybe a few little higher amounts as we get closer down into Mississippi. Maybe Hardin, McNairy counties might see a little bit more rainfall. But again, generally we're right around that tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch. Probably could see a few, little bit lesser amounts again as we get into Northwest Tennessee. Let's take a look at Futurecast here. Notice over here, I've got the time set at the side. So you can kind of see the time over here if you look up here where my mouse pointer is, kind of shows this stuff kind of coming through here right around 10, 11 o'clock. And it should be over with by, as we get into the later afternoon hours. So it's not going to be a lot of rainfall, but we will get some, and it will kind of help with some of the melting. That and us being above, almost 50 degrees today. So all that stuff will help with some of this melting of this snow and ice. So for today, cloudy with showers. High of around 48. We'll have that south southwest wind at 5. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, be cold. Overnight low at 29. We'll have those northerly winds at about 5 to 10. And the 7 day, like I said, afternoon showers, probably starting somewhere around 11, 12 o'clock, around mid morning, midday. But then we're sunny for the rest of the week. As we get into the weekend, we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. But look, as we get into Friday, we're pushing that 60-degree mark, and we will be 60 as we get into sunny. So for sure, most definitely, we're going to have a good warm up here and get rid of all this snow and ice that we got. So just probably need that umbrella today if you're going to be out and about. It's not going to be no heavy rain or a lot of rain, but enough to where um, you probably need the umbrella if you're going to be out and about today, especially around mid morning to to that mid-afternoon, early afternoon type frame there. Everybody have a good day.